Hey, I'm Caleb with Means Woodshop, and today we're gonna make some wooden light switch covers. They're pretty neat, so let's check them out. Alright y'all, so I've got a lot of this really nice 1/4-inch cherry, and if I could, I would just like to give a shout out to Green Valley Wood Products. Not a sponsor. I buy these packs of 1/4-inch wood from them on eBay, and on eBay they go by the name of Monitor Seller. They're just really good, and anytime you ever see any project videos where I use this thin 1/4-inch wood, exotic woods, or domestics like this, I probably ordered it from them. They do really good service and super fast shipping, and it always shows up like a day or two, sometimes 3 days earlier than what it said it was going to. Like I said, not a sponsor, but if you're looking to buy, some thin boards or something for a project you have in mind, I recommend them. They're really good. Got a stop block set up, exact length of one of these. These boards are slightly wider than this, but I don't really see much of a reason to rip them down. I think that width is fine. So I counted 10 of these that I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna cut some extras so I could glue them up to make some of these as well. So I went back and double checked, and it looks like I'm going to need 5 of the wider double switch covers. I've got 5 of those. I'm going to go ahead and glue them up now so they can be drying while I work on the single switch covers. And it's a nice hot day, so this glue should dry pretty quick either way. This part is really going to be pretty straightforward. I'm going to take all my single switches, I'm just laying this switch cover over top of it and getting it about centered, and I'm going to drill the holes. And we'll get to repeat that a whole bunch. Just got a larger drill bit in place right now, and I'm just going to countersink those screw holes just a little bit. And while I'm at it, I could use this same bit to drill an entry point for my saw to go into. Broken out the old scroll saw. Last time I used it, a lot of y'all took note that this thing is pretty junky, but it gets the job done for now. Now just like 1,000 more of those to go. So I spent forever at the scroll saw, more time than I would like to spend on the scroll saw, but I still got another thing to do before I could sand these up and sort of get them ready to finish them. On the backs of all of these, I need to kind of carve away some of the material, so that just lets it sit up against the wall a little bit better. And I'm just doing that with a forcer bit. It doesn't have to be pretty. Up to this point, I put a lot of work into these covers. Like I said, on my test piece, I went to put a chamfer on it using my router, and I had it set just a little too low, so it dug into it in a couple places. And after the work that I put into these, I really don't want to risk it. I really want something around the edges because I want them to be just rectangles. I think I'm going to take a safe route and just try to carefully chamfer them on the belt sander. I almost went with red cedar. I think if you wanted to make this project, I think red cedar would look really, really good in any house. Anyways, that was a fun project. It was pretty easy, just time consuming because I made so many for all over the whole house. I'm not really worried about there being any problems with these. I've wondered if anybody would mention that, but I mean, you could buy wooden light switch covers commercially, so... And if anything burns, I mean, plastic ones burn too, so I don't know. But if you liked and enjoyed this project, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel too because I have new woodworking projects every Friday. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time.